HG Limescale Remover removes limescale in one go. But is that really true? Let's find out. Hi John.
Hello.
The HG Limescale Remover, can you banish scale in one go?
Absolutely. Not only in one go, but also 4 times faster than the average limescale remover made by the competitors.
How is that possible?
Our limescale remover is an acidic cleaner with a very low pH value. Look at the pH scale. Our pH value is a 1. Besides that, we consciously choose for organic acids. Here, I will demonstrate it. I've got some lime tablets. If I pour the limescale remover on it, you see the effect of limescale remover. You see some bubbles, that's carbon dioxide, that will vanish in the air. The remains of the limescale will go to the bottom, and the rest is water. And that makes it very easy to clean.
That's incredible.
Limescale removed within 5 minutes.
Do you have to be careful that it doesn't destroy the sealant?
Our recipe is absolutely safe for sealants, joints, glaze, and also chromium.
But what if your shower head is completely clogged with scale?
For very stubborn limescale, I would recommend our limescale remover 3 times stronger. That effectively attacks stubborn limescale.
Good in one go?
Sure. And if you have colored taps or colored shower head like black or colored copper, then it's best to use our limescale remover for colored sanitary ware.
I need that. I have black taps, which I haven't dared to clean. That's all good info, Joe.
Well, this is your solution.
Thank you.
Bye.
HG does it again. In one go, removing limescale thoroughly, ensuring your bathroom to shine like never before.